Yo, what up YouTubers, it's your boy AlteredTech, back again with a new video. Hope you guys are having an awesome day, because I am I just caught Pixel Fever. If you guys were following me on Twitter, yes, I caught Pixel Fever and I ordered a Pixel 3a XL. The just purplish color, which kind of looks blue, and I'm feeling kind of blue, but I shouldn't be feeling blue, so I got the blue, yeah. So how did I end up in this situation? How did I catch Pixel Fever? You guys might have seen my comments. I've been throwing that Pixel Fever hashtag all over the goddamn place. These top tech YouTubers, when they first got the phones, they're like, holy crap, this is amazing, we love it, holy crap, you have to get it. And I'm like, what's so great about it? It has a great camera, but what's so great? So then I'm starting to see some small tech YouTubers like CV Tech. He actually just got his own, and he's like, he's in love with it. And I'm like, holy crap. If my boy CV Tech, if he likes that phone, you know what, I gotta go ahead and check it out. So today was graduation day for one of my friends. So I actually went to the university. I was like on my DSLR camera. I'm not taking a smartphone to do this job. I'm taking my DSLR. So I'm there and I'm taking some photos when I'm practicing, trying to adjust the settings. So it's kind of boring in the beginning. So I'm tinkering with it. My battery is going down. And I'm like, holy crap. If the battery dies on my camera, then I'm going to have to rely on my OnePlus 6T for some photos. So then we go outside and everything, and I pull out the smartphone and I'm taking some photos. So I'm using the stock camera app and I'm switching to the G camera app, and the lighting condition is pretty damn good. It's bright outside, it's beautiful, and for some reason the stock camera app was taking way better photos than the Gcam app. For some reason the Gcam app just made me look like a freaking cyborg. Like my eyes, it just looked like I was like possessed or something. Like it was truly horrible. So I was thinking to myself, what if I'm in that situation, and what if I lose out on an opportunity? Like you want to take a photo real quick, but you lose out on the opportunity because your smartphone, you didn't use the right settings, or you didn't, you want to use pro mode, but pro mode takes some time and adjusting, and you miss out on that moment. And I'm thinking to myself, what could you do if you don't have that much money? Now you have the option of getting the Pixel 3a. And you guys know MKBHD keeps the Pixel 3a, the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T in his pocket last year together because you like the camera, but you love the performance. I am in the same boat right now, so I want to know, people, I need to know, is the Pixel 3a camera, the 3a XL, whatever it is the camera really that damn good? I need to know, because with the OnePlus 6T, the camera, it's fine for me. It's I have no complaints whatsoever. But the way how people are talking about it, like I just gotta see it to believe it. And I'm not gonna go into a T-Mobile store and just play around with it and really get a feel for it. I have to go ahead and get it and review it. That's the only way, and that's the only way for me to actually give you guys honest feedback. And this is a tech channel, and this is what I do. So I hope you guys, check out my video next week. When I get it, I'll do some camera comparisons. I'll let you guys know the truth. Because honestly, I'll actually post this on a web page and full resolution photos. Because on YouTube, you have to, there is some downgrading in quality of the pictures and whatnot, even if you do set at 4K. So I'll post that in a video and a link to a website so you can view the photos at full resolution. And I'll show you guys, if it's, someone said that, with the OnePlus 6T, you might take them 4 shots for one good photo. And for the Pixel, it was like one shot usually it gets you one good photo. So listen, I'm honest, you guys know I love OnePlus and everything. I'm not knocking on them, but it's just me being honest, being a honest average consumer who doesn't have the the money to go ahead and buy this and buy that. So when I'm reviewing my stuff, I'm reviewing it from the heart, and I'm coming from as a person who doesn't have like the craziest income or whatever. So please tune into next week. I'll give you guys the full lowdown, and hey, subscribe if you haven't. This is AlteredTech. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful day. Peace. And shout out to my sister who's actually pregnant, because this phone is coming to her. I don't think she really watches my video, and this really wouldn't surprise her because she doesn't really watch my videos. So I hope that she actually enjoys this phone, because she's expecting a child, and I want her to capture every single moment and not break the bank. So And I am a shitty brother for actually giving her the Honor 5X. She's been using that consistently for a couple months now. It's still holding up. She had no complaints, but the security patches and everything is pretty outdated, and I gotta be a better brother, so I'll just be a nice brother and get her that. So it's AlteredTech signing out. Hope you guys have a great and wonderful Saturday or whatever day it is. Be safe. Peace.